Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I'm excited to show you this new brush we have here. It's the Edge brush. It is a hybrid brush. We're going to have these in 10-inch and 14-inch. Hybrid meaning we've got the nylon bristles around the outside and we have the boar's hair in the middle. Now I'm going to show you some of the features on this brush. You may notice that there's a single T with two jet hoses going into the brush. You might think that this is a two-jetted brush, but in fact it is a four-jetted brush. If you take a close-up look, you're going to see in the brush block that there are two slits on either side here. So what happens is we've got an 8mm in to 6mm out going down into this brush block, but these two slits on either side will not only they don't just shoot out as two jets like this, they actually do a V pattern. So they do a crisscross. So you're going to get tons of water coverage. Let's have a quick look at that. So like I said, the two slits over here in the brush block turn into a crisscross pattern, giving you a lot of water coverage. For the angle adapter and the brush socket setup, we have a couple of features here. So the bottom, many people may recognize it's quite similar to the Unger angle adapter. It has the angle adjuster knob here where you loosen up and then you can change your angle of the brush to the glass like that. But we also have this locking mechanism that right now this is a straight brush, but if we turn the locking mechanism counterclockwise and then pull it back until we have a snap, now we have a pivoting brush head. So you can have it as a pivot or swivel. Some people want to say swivel, or lock it back in, and now it is a straight brush. Because it's going from an 8mm down to a 6mm, it has this funneling effect which gives the jets more impact. Quite similar to what the Gardiner system has. All the Gardiner brushes are 8mm in and 6mm out. So I almost forgot to tell you about one important feature, that when you get this brush, you'll be supplied with this end piece that you attach to the bottom of the angle adapter. This is ideal for any water-fed pole that has a Xero threaded tip adapter. But you don't have to use this particular piece. If you already have a water-fed pole that has, let's say, a fast lock or the quick lock from Gardiner, all you need to do is simply take this piece apart and you can use the bottom piece and screw that on. So now you have this would insert into your top clamp. So that's a good option for those of you who are using fast lock or the Gardiner quick lock. So anyway, like I said, we're going to have these in 10-inch and 14-inch. So you want to check it out at the windowcleaningstore.com. Thanks for watching.